This is drum corps. If you have no idea what it is, you might question why people get excited by these loud and intense marching bands. However, realizing just how much work is put into the final product will make you appreciate this activity more. There are over 24 active world-class corps that rehearse and perform at shows all across this country for 85 days straight during the summer. These corps are a part of a larger organization called Drum Corps International, or DCI. Think of DCI as a sports club and each corps as a team. In order to have a great show, hours upon hours of rehearsal are necessary. Marching drill, playing music, and learning choreography, all in the sweltering heat, can take a toll. In the first few weeks, it can take time to mentally and physically adjust to the demands of the activity. It gets a little easier knowing that the staff and your fellow members want to mold you into the best version of yourself possible. Now imagine the people that are supposed to be your teachers and supporters say things like these. Sexist remarks, abuses of power, harassment of younger members, female members being sexualized, or even situations of sexual assault. These are all real stories from women who came forward to show just how extensive this issue of sexual harassment is. In the 2018 off-season, Drum Corps experienced a dramatic wake-up call with the publication of an article that detailed 9 women accusing the cadets' corps director, George Hopkins, of sexual abuse and harassment that spanned 4 decades. Hopkins was a drum corps giant, being the director of the cadets, a top-tier corps from Pennsylvania.
But you have to decide to be better than you really, frankly, want to be sometimes.
He denied the allegations and said it was a conspiracy to fire him. However, he stepped down within days of the article being released. DCI also stepped in and placed the cadets under probation for the 2018 season and omitted some tour dates to ensure the commitment to the health and safety of its members, staff, and volunteers. Another article was published 8 months later that exposed Mike Stevens, staff member of the Oregon Crusaders. Stevens had a history of luring teenage girls into sexual relationships when he was their teacher. When he was let go from his job as a band director, the drum corps world welcomed him, and he taught for almost 10 years with the Crusaders. It wasn't until this new article was published that they fired him and made a public statement condemning his actions. Because of the low turnout at auditions and the reassessment towards member safety, the Oregon Crusaders chose to not field a corps for the 2019 season. Since these articles, more women have taken action and have asked DCI to ensure sexual harassment is not tolerated. Here's Kathy Black, the newly directed DCI Board of Directors Chair, speaking about DCI's new goals.
Our committee's priorities are to grow the number of women in leadership and allowing them to become educators and examples for the future.
Elena Youngson, the drum major for Carolina Crown, also sparked a conversation by writing an article featuring many women sharing their stories about sexual harassment.
This has to be made aware to the rest of the general population of DCI and kind of just building awareness as well as seeing where we're going from here and what's being done proactively to help with the situation.
They hope to partner with more women leaders like Elena in coming seasons to cultivate a positive and safe environment in the activity. These steps towards intolerance of harassment and emphasis on safety makes me feel that the drum corps community wants everyone to feel safe while having the best summer of their lives. At the end of the day, it's about this moment, this feeling, love, pride, camaraderie.
Holy name, my holy name, thy name shall be eternally. Thy name shall spread throughout the land and keep it safe forevermore. When on the trail or on the march, you'll know that here is holy name. Straight and true.
Knowing that you've given it your all, alongside the people you love, that's what drum corps is about, and it should be protected.